In today's lecture of estimating coin costing, we will calculate the quantity of steel in the column and footing from the figure given below. Now you just see this figure. This is the column. This is total is the column, and below that this is the what is this? It is nothing but our footing. So how they have given us the total, this length is 0.45 meter, above this is 0.15 up to the ground level, up to plinth level it is again 0.45, and the total height above the plinth it is 3 meter. Okay, for that purpose we are going to see this. Now what they have given in the problem, see this is the main bar. Okay, what is this? This is the main bar, and these are the ties that are provided for the column. And accordingly, see here they have given us that 4 number of bars are provided of 16 mm 5. म्हणजे कॉलम मध्ये एकूण 4 मेन बार्स प्रोव्हाइड केली, जी उभे असते त्याला आपण मेन बार म्हणतो. ती किती आहेत? 16 mm चे बार आहेत. लक्षात घ्या किती आहेत? 16 mm चे एकूण 4 बार आहेत. त्याच पद्धतीने जे टाईज साठी वापरले, टाईज आणि स्टिरप्स काढायचे जे फॉर्म्युला आहे, the formula required for the calculation of stirrup length of stirrup as well as length of ties remains constant. So 6 mm 5 bars are provided at 150 mm center to center for stirrups. So here it is 250 mm, that is the column from the above, it is initially this length will be 200 mm, this will be straight. They have given us 3 plus 0.45 plus 0.15 plus total is 450. Okay, and for that we have to we have to just deduct this lower, that is 50 mm. Again we have to deduct the two diameter of this bar which are provided for the footing, and in this way very easily we can find out the total length of the column bar or the main bar. Now the next slide we are going to see. If you observe this, what you come to know is 230 mm by 230 mm is the section of the column. Internally they have provided these 4 main bars. This is the first, this is the second, this is third, and this is the fourth, and this is nothing but the tie. Okay, this is nothing but the die. This is cross section of the column. And if you observe this problem or this figure, they have first initially shown this column, and up surrounding the column this is nothing but the footing. What they have done, they have provided 12 mm 5 bars at the rate of 100 mm center to center on both the direction for the footing. This is the plan of the footing. Now calculation of the steel. Okay, calculation of steel quantities in a column. Initially we will find out the main bar, that is the length of the longitudinal bar. So how to find it? Total length they have given as 3000 plus 450, that is 0.45, plus 150 plus 450. Okay, minus clear cover of the footing. That means below that there is a clear cover, you have to just deduct it. Minus 2 into diameter of bar is for the footing, plus 200 is the lower bend, and plus 200 is the upper bend, for that is given for the bonding. So the total will be 4.426 meter. Here it is shown here. Now quantity of steel, number into length of into weight into kg per meter. So how many number of bars are there? 4 number of bars are there. The total is 4.42 meter, and for 12 mm 5 bars, no, for 16 mm 5 bars, length in kg per meter is 0.89. So we are going to find it as 15.74 kg. How much it is? 15.74 kg. Now length of ties. As we have known, or as we have already calculated the length of stirrups, in the same manner we have to calculate the length of ties. A is equal to capital A is equal to 230 minus twice the clear cover, that is 150 mm. In the same way B is also 150 mm. So the number of ties is 3000 plus 450 plus 150 plus 450 minus twice the clear cover of the footing minus 2 into diameter of the bars used for the footing divided by spacing, and above after the bracket we have to add 1, that is plus 1. It will be 27.5, that is 28 number of bars are required. Okay, and here if you see the total length of a single tie is length L is equal to 2 into bracket capital A plus B plus 24 5, that is equal to 0.74 meter. So the quantity of steel is equal to number into length into weight in kg per meter, that is 28 numbers are there. The length of each bar is 0.744 and the weight in kg per meter is 0.22 for 6 mm 5 bars. So it will be 4.63 kg. In this manner just we have to go on working. Now quantity of steel in footing. We have now seen the quantity of steel in column. Now we'll go further. We'll see the quantity of steel for footing. So the length of the bar. The length of the bar is 1200 minus 2 clear cover. 1200 minus 2 into clear cover plus extra length that is provided for the hook, that is 2 into 9 of 5. So 1200 minus 2 into 50. Why you have taken is 50 here? For the footing the clear cover is minimum clear cover is 50 because it is in touch with the soil. So there may be possibility of corrosion due to the chemical or due to some of the ingredients of soil. So to protect the steel from corrosion you have to provide 50 mm clear cover plus 2 into 9 of 5, that is 1.31 meter. So the number of bars 1200 minus 2 into 50 upon 100 plus 1, that is 12 number of bars are required. Quantity of steel 12 number into length into weight in kg per meter into 2, that is 12 into 1.316 into 0.89 into 2. Why we have given into 2? Because on both these sides we are going to provide same number of bars because same type of steel has been used, that is 28.07 kg. In this manner we are going to find out the quantity of steel required for column and footing. Thank you very much.